Chaitanya, and thank you for joining us today. As we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of network management, where artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the way we operate and maintain our digital infrastructure. The fusion of AI with quantum computing is poised to redefine the boundaries of what's possible. And I'm excited to share this transformative vision with you. In this era of unprecedented technological advancement, the demands placed upon our networks are growing exponentially. The traditional manual methods of network management are no longer sufficient to cope with the complexity and the scale of modern networks. This is where AI steps in, offering a transformative solution that promises to reshape the landscape of network management. When combined with the immense computational power of quantum computing, the possibilities become even more extraordinary. Now, I'll hand it over to Sadha to walk you through the impact of AI in the field of network management.
Hello everyone. One of the most significant ways AI is impacting network management is through predictive maintenance. By leveraging AI algorithms, network can now predict potential disruptions with remarkable accuracy, often up to 90%. This proactive approach allows us to address issues way before they escalate and impact users, ensuring a seamless and reliable network experience. Imagine a world where network outages are a thing of the past. AI is making this a reality. Quantum computing can further enhance this predictive capability by rapidly analyzing vast datasets and identifying the patterns that might be invisible to traditional computers. AI-powered systems are not just about predicting the problems, they're also about optimizing the network performance in real time. These intelligent systems can dynamically adjust to varying traffic loads, much like self-driving cars adapt to changing road conditions. This self-optimizing capability results in efficiency improvements of over 30% compared to traditional methods, ensuring that our networks are always operating at their peak. Quantum computing can take this optimization to the next level by exploring vast solution space and finding optimal configurations that were previously unattainable. The complexity of network management has long been a challenge for organizations. AI is simplifying this complexity by automating many of the routine tasks that previously required significant human intervention. This not only reduces operational costs by approximately 25%, but also frees up valuable human resources to focus on strategic initiatives that can drive innovation and growth. Quantum computing can further streamline these processes by solving complex optimization problems in a fraction of time it could take traditional computers. The impact of AI in network management is not just confined to theoretical learning. It's already making a tangible difference in various industries. From personalized recommendations in streaming services to adaptive mechanisms in self-driving cars and predictive maintenance in industrial settings. AI is proving its worth across a wide range of applications. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize these applications even further. For example, in finance, quantum computing could optimize portfolio management and risk assessment with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Thank you.
As we look to the future, the potential of AI in network management is truly awe-inspiring. We can envision fully autonomous networks that self-heal and self-optimize, adapting to changing conditions without human intervention. The integration of AI with emerging technologies like 5G and edge computing promises to unlock even greater possibilities, ushering in a new era of intelligent, responsive networks. Quantum computing will be a key enabler of this future, providing computational power needed to tackle the most complex network challenges. The benefits of embracing AI in network management are undeniable. Businesses can expect improved network reliability and performance, reduced operational costs, and a significant competitive advantage in the digital landscape. In today's fast-paced world, where network uptime and efficiency are paramount, AI is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Quantum computing amplifies these benefits, offering the potential for even greater cost savings, faster innovation, and a stronger competitive edge. Numerous case studies from around the world highlight the successful implementation of AI in network management. These real-world examples demonstrate the tangible benefits and return on investment that the organizations have achieved by harnessing the power of AI. They serve as an inspiration for others to follow and embrace AI-driven network solutions. As quantum computing matures, we can expect to see even more impressive case studies showcasing the transformative power of this technology in network management. For those eager to embark on the AI journey, a very defined roadmap is essential. It begins with assessing your current network infrastructure and identifying areas for improvement. A phased approach to AI integration allows for a smooth transition, minimizing disruptions. Partnering with experienced AI solution providers can be invaluable in navigating the complexities of implementation. As you plan for the future, consider how quantum computing can be integrated into your roadmap to unlock its full potential. Quantum computing is not just a buzzword, it's a paradigm shift in computing that has the potential to revolutionize network management. By harnessing the principles of quantum mechanics, quantum computers can perform calculations that are impossible for classical computers. This opens up a world of possibilities for network optimization, security, and innovation. While still in its early stages, quantum computing is rapidly advancing, and its impact on network management is poised to be profound. One of the most promising applications of quantum computing in network management is optimization. Quantum algorithms can efficiently solve complex optimization problems that arise in network routing, resource allocation, and traffic management. This can lead to significant improvements in network performance, efficiency, and cost savings. For example, quantum algorithms could optimize the routing of data packets in a network to minimize latency and maximize throughput. And network security is another area where quantum computing can make a significant impact. Quantum cryptography offers the potential for unbreakable encryption, protecting sensitive data from even the most sophisticated cyber attacks. Quantum-resistant algorithms are being developed to safeguard networks against the threat of quantum computers, breaking current encryption standards. By embracing quantum-enhanced security measures, organizations can ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of their network resources. While the potential of quantum computing in network management is immense, there are also challenges to overcome. Quantum computers are still in their early stages of development, and there are technical hurdles to overcome before they can be widely adopted. Additionally, there is a need for skilled quantum workforce and the development of quantum-specific software and tools. However, the opportunities far outweigh the challenges. By investing in quantum research and development, organizations can position themselves at the forefront of this technological revolution and reap the rewards of quantum advantage. In conclusion, the convergence of AI and quantum computing is set to redefine the landscape of network management. AI-driven predictive maintenance, self-optimization, and simplified operations are already transforming the way we manage our networks. Quantum computing promises to amplify these benefits and unlock new possibilities for network optimization, security, and innovation. While challenges remain, the opportunities are vast. By embracing these transformational technologies, organizations can build intelligent, resilient, and future-ready networks that drive business success in the digital age. Thank you for joining us.